in today's video, I am going to sample this mini cheek set by Westman Atelier. You can see the 3 minis in here. This is the limited edition holiday gift sets. And these sets are versatile. They're meant to be used on your cheeks, on your lips, and on your lids. And for those of you who don't know, Westman Atelier is a clean beauty brand, and it's a little bit more luxury, as you're going to see. So anyway, we're going to get started with these 3 here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sample each one of these. Along with the mini cheek set, we are going to share with you the lip suede set. This is also a limited edition. So these suede lipsticks are very hydrating. They're heavily pigmented, and they say they're matte, but they feel very moisturizing and hydrating on the lips. So we're going to get started here with this color here. This is called Petal. You can see it's a very neutral type pink. I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to dab that onto my cheekbone. Go all the way around here and there, and I'm just going to dab it across my... So you can see it's a very neutral type color, but it goes on seamlessly on the cheeks here. Let's go over here and do this one on this side. I like that a lot. Look how pretty that looks. I'm going to go over here and dab this on here. And then what I think I'll do is I'll do each one. I'll do my eyes, I'll do my cheeks, and I'll do my lips so you can see what the entire look looks like. Oh, I like this a lot. This is pretty. Just gives you a healthy glow, right? Okay, I'm going to take a lip brush here and I'm going to put this across my lips. I'm not going to use a lip pencil. I'm just going to use this alone. This is a great set to take with you if you're traveling. Oh, I love this color. So then I'm just going to take this blending brush, I'm going to tap into it, and I'm going to go right across. I have no eye primer on my eyes. So this would be a routine that I would just like put my foundation on, use this as my lip color, and then use it as my eyeshadow as well as, you know, some cheek color. And I would just go across and blend that into my lids there. You can see how versatile that is. And that again is, let me just swatch it for you here so you can see. It's this color here. It's called Petal. Okay, so next we have up this color. It's called Pop It. And you can see that it is this nice bright pink color, which can be a bit intimidating when you're looking at it, but once you see it on, I think you'll like it. Okay, so let's get started with putting that on my cheekbones first. And I'm just going to dab into the top of it and just kind of swipe my brush back and forth on it. And then I'm just going to go in across here. Oh, this is pretty. Whoa, that is a lot, right? That's bright. Okay, I think I overdid it there. This side looks a little bit better. You got to be careful how much you put on because it is highly pigmented. I think all of her products are really highly pigmented, but let me show you a trick. Again, this is the brush I just used for foundation. You can simply just go over that with your foundation brush and just kind of tamp that down a little bit if you ever do something like that. Okay, so that is Pop It. Highly pigmented, don't need a lot, but that's so pretty. Especially for my cool turn people out there. This is a pretty color. Let's see what it looks like on the lip. And I'm just going to take that, coat my lip. That is bright pink. I would never wear a color like this, but I do like it as a blush. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it, I'm going to go right across my lid with it. Not so much in my crease because I think that that's a bit much for there, but I'm going to go right across my lid here. And I would play around with this. But if you're somebody who likes going out at night and you like a bright eye and a bright lip, this is really very pretty. And you can see how it just kind of brightens up everything for sure. So there you go, that is Pop It. Oh, so last we have, and this one's my favorite because it's called Mimi, and that's what my grandsons call me. And it is this color here, which you can see is a very neutral, natural color. I'll show you what that looks like here. Grab a blush brush and go in there and use, I'm gonna take this brush here and I'm just kind of going over the top to coat the whole thing. And we're gonna go right across here. So this is great for like that everyday natural look. You wanna get out of the house real quick, but you wanna look like you have some color on your face. But look how pretty that is. I really like that a lot. I'm gonna go over here. Do the same thing. Just dab that in there. And that color is called Mimi. And I'm going to take this blending brush and I'm going to go in so you can see what it looks like going across my lid. Oh, I love the fact that you can just like pop this on your lid, 1, 2, 3, pop it on your cheeks and then pop it on your lips and you're done with it all in one shot. So basically what you would have to do is just pop on your foundation, do your eyes, your lip, your cheeks, put some mascara on, and you can be out the door in less than 5 minutes. That's great. Love it. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the lips. And take my lip brush and go in there. So this is definitely natural. But if you're looking for a gift for somebody who is really hard to buy for and they like makeup and you want like to give them quality makeup, then this Westman Atelier is like quality luxury type makeup. Even the packaging is beautiful. So there's all 3 colors. We have Pop It, Mimi, and Petal. So that's quite a variation of colors that you can play around with and use. So again, and the packaging is very luxe. You can hear like, it just snaps on, it has a good weight to it. It's so pretty, very neutral looking. Again, and it's perfect for travel. Has anybody been following the Biden pardon? He should, you know, in my personal opinion, I wished he would have never said that he wouldn't pardon him. He wished he would have said something like, I don't know, I want to see if he stays sober, I want to see how he is in another year or 2, and just to make sure that he was following up with his recovery and that he was actually doing service work in the, you know, in the addict community and actually helping out people, rather than saying, no, he would never do that. And then when the time came, like now he's doing it just as he's walking out the door. Like it just leaves a bad taste in your mouth. I feel bad for Biden himself for doing that, but I don't know, this, that's just my opinion. Tell me, what are your thoughts? Okay, so let's hop over to the lips. So again, you can see the beautiful packaging. You can hear how weighted this product is. So you can see this is the color Fluffy, and it is a nude rose color. So let's see how that applies. You can see very pretty. I'll swatch it here for you so you can see what it looks like. I'm not going to use a lip pencil because I want to see how it blends. Feels more balmy like on the lips. When they said matte, I was kind of like, matte? Really? I don't really like matte. But you can see there's no shine to it, but if you wanted to add shine to it, all you would need to do is just go over it with like a gloss. But it feels lovely on the lips. Very, very comfortable. There's no funny taste to it. It's got this really cute logos on the lipstick. I don't know if you can see, she has like this heart logo on there. It's adorable. So do me a favor, if you're gaining any value from this video, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and comment below and let me know if you've used any of the Westman Atelier products. If so, which ones have you used and do you like them? Okay, so next we're going to go in and we're going to use this red color. This is pretty. You can see it's a very, it has like a bluish undertone to it, which I can actually wear that. It doesn't have too much like orange or yellow in it. It's called a Dash, which I love the name, it's cute. I'm gonna swatch it here for you so you can see. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous. That is so pretty. Okay, let's see what it looks like on. Now that is a really pretty red. You can see it doesn't really clash with my skin tone. And it sits on the lip very nicely. When they say matte, like I always get nervous that it's going to like show up every wrinkle and line and dry spot on my lip. But when I tell you these feel so nice on the lips, they really truly do. Don't really like it with the blush that I have, but this is a pretty color. You can see how easy it is to come off too. It's not staining my lips, which a lot of times with red, like you're like, oh boy, you know. If you do plan on getting dressed up for the holidays and you're looking to incorporate a little bit more jewelry into your wardrobe, or you want to purchase a gift for somebody for the holidays, I just want to remind you that Ana Luisa is having their sale where you can get up to 35% off on their on all of their jewelry. I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below in case you're interested in looking at any of these products. You can see I have this set on here. It's called Legacy. I have on the slim rope ring along with this really nice ring that I'm loving. I'm wearing on my pointer finger. It's very, very comfortable, and it's called May. The other one here is this bracelet here. It's a watch band bracelet. You can see it just kind of elevates the look. So you don't feel like you're overdone, but it's just enough. And you can wear this with other bracelets that you might have. It comes with a 2-year warranty. It's free exchanges. Again, that's Ana Luisa, and they're having their holiday sale. So I'll leave the link below so that you can go and check that out. And this last color is called Je Rêve. You can see it's this nice mauve type color, which is perfect for my lip. This really just enhances my lip color. It doesn't really change it too much. Just kind of elevates it slightly. So if you're looking for like a luxury type makeup for somebody for the holidays or even for yourself, definitely go and check it out. Right now they're having 20% off on their website. If you're interested in my holiday giveaway, you can watch that video because it's coming up right here.